Hello students, sorry that I can't be with you today, but I'm going to review with you. If you will take out the sheet from yesterday, the simple interest maze, and then on the back is the color page. If for some reason you are absent or you don't have yours, please ask the substitute for another copy. On the simple interest maze that you did yesterday, we are going to look at one of the more challenging problems, which was number 9, the last problem. You've got principal is $789. Your interest rate, notice, is 0.5%, a half of a percent, and the time is for 6 years. So think about what this 0.5% is going to be. If you have 50%, your decimal, remember you move it 2 places to the left, your decimal is 0.50 or 0.5. If you have 5%, then your decimal is 0.05. And if you have 0.5% or half of a percent, again, you're going to bring your decimal 2 places over, so you would have 0.005. Remember this 0 right here in the 50%, you don't have to have it, 0.5, but you can see the patterns forming there. So in number 9, you're going to start by writing your formula, I equals PRT. Your interest is what we're looking for. So for principal, $789 times 0.005 times 6 years. I ran out of room there. And then once you punch that in your calculator, go ahead and take a minute to do that if you need to correct it. If not, if you did it correctly, then you should have gotten $23.67. Okay, go ahead and turn your paper over, and let's look at what you're supposed to do for today. Numbers 1 through 5, you're going to do those just like you did the maze, using your I equals PRT. But I'm going to look at numbers 6 through 10. So, yes, you have to do all of 1 through 10, but I'm going to explain how to do number 6 because that's a little bit different. It says for problems 6 through 10, determine the total amount of money. So we're going to start and we're going to find our interest. Interest equals PRT, just like we did on the other side. Our interest equals, the principal is $1,750. The rate is 5%, so that's 0.05, and the years is 9 years. And you're going to punch that in your calculator. 1,750 times 0.05 times 9, and you get $787.50. And you notice on number 6, that is answer number 2, but that's not the correct answer because we're not done. Now, to get the total, and what we mean by total, if you borrow, let's say you borrow $1,750 from the bank, but then over 9 years, you're going to have to pay back the interest of $1,750. So, but you have to pay back your principal amount, plus you have to pay back your interest. This is going to be a lot of money to pay back. And then once you add those together, oh, that should be, I knew something was wrong. Once you add those together, you get $2,537.50 when you add those together. So the correct answer is not white. It is purple, $2,537.50. So what I want you to do, let me see if I can get purple on my colors. Close enough. Okay, so you are going to come here and you are going to lightly shade that, and then we're going to find number 6 on your sheet. And so this is kind of small on my iPad, and then you're going to color all this purple, and I know you can color much better than I can. So fill that in where everywhere you see the number 6. So that is how you do 6 through 10. 1 through 5 is just like you did yesterday. When you finish with this, I want you to staple your work to the back of it. Be sure you put your be sure you put your name on it, date it 12/6, and turn it in at the end of class. You also have an additional assignment of iExcel to complete as well, and then ClassWorks. Have a wonderful day. Hello?
Hi, Ms. Cochran.
Yes, hello?